Hi guys, welcome back to another SodiYUM meal. Today we're going to be making Boorak with my famous sauce. These are a fan favorite and will have people begging you to make it all the time. To begin on the meat filling, you'll need ground beef or any ground meat of your choice. I used ground sirloin, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped jalapeno, a cup of chopped parsley, and half a cup of chopped cilantro. For seasonings, I used salt and pepper, garlic powder, 7 spices, and smoked paprika. Start by heating up oil in a pan and saute the onions and jalapeno until they've become slightly tender. Then, add the meat and break it up with your spoon. I used ground sirloin and it rendered a lot of fat, so once I saw that my meat was cooked, I went and drained it in the sink. Once you've drained the meat and got rid of all the fat, you can go ahead and add your seasonings. You can obviously add more or less of whatever you like, but I use about equal portions of each. Once you've added your spices, turn off the flame and add the chopped parsley and cilantro and mix everything together. Put the pan off to the side and leave it uncovered to cool down. This meat filling is so delicious and you can use this exact recipe to make kibbeh or potato chop. While the meat is cooling down, we'll work on the sauce. For this, you'll need 1 jalapeno, 1 avocado, 1 lime, 3 garlic cloves, a cup of chopped cilantro, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, and half a block of cream cheese. Add all the ingredients into a food processor and scrape the sides as needed. This sauce is usually a green color, but the lighting in my kitchen isn't the greatest, so it's looking a little bit white. But nonetheless, this sauce is out of this world. All of my friends and family go nuts for this, and it's become a requirement for me to make and bring to every gathering. Once everything is completely blended, add some salt and pepper to taste and blend one more time. Pour the sauce into a container and allow it to sit in the fridge for at least an hour. This sauce gets better the longer it sits in the fridge, I promise you. While the sauce is chilling in the fridge, we can get started on rolling our Boorak. These are the egg roll wrappers I used. I take them out of the packaging and I put them on a plate with a wet paper towel underneath and on top to ensure they don't dry out. A small cup of water to use as glue to secure the egg rolls, and also have a pan with cooking spray on it, and of course my meat filling with a spoon. To begin, lay out 1 egg roll wrapper in a diamond shape on a clean surface. Spoon as much or as little of the filling as you desire. I'm a bit generous because I like a fat Boorak. Grab the corner piece closest to you and fold it over enough to cover the filling that you just poured. Begin rolling one more time and then grab the side pieces, tuck them in and roll. Wet your fingers and wet the remaining piece of egg roll wrapper to secure the egg roll and complete the roll. I like to press down on the egg roll to ensure that it's properly closed. Then place it seam side down on the pan. I'll show you guys how to do this a few more times. If you've watched my dolma video, this is the exact same way I roll my dolma as well. I just find that this is the easiest way to roll. I know a lot of people have different methods on how they roll, but this is how I like mine. I like a tight, fat Boorak. Once all the Booraks are on your pan, spray them with cooking spray on both sides. If you're gonna fry these, you can add these into a pan with hot frying oil and fry until they become a golden color. But I bake these at 425 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then I flip them onto the other side for another 10 to 12 minutes. This is what mine look like when they came out of the oven. I like to cut mine in half and serve alongside this sauce. The two complement each other so well. I hope you guys give this a try. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.